Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best water pump pliers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics 3-piece quick-release groove joint pliers set. This budget-friendly option comes with 3 pliers in sizes 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch, making it versatile for various tasks like loosening nuts, gripping pipes, and tightening fasteners. Made from drop-forged chrome vanadium steel, the pliers offer solid durability and long-lasting performance. The PVC rubber-dipped handles ensure a secure and comfortable grip, even during extended use. Design-wise, the slick joint mechanism allows quick adjustments to accommodate different sizes. But it lacks the precision found in higher-end models. The black finish gives it a sleek look, but it doesn't stand out in terms of aesthetics. Performance is adequate for light to medium-duty tasks, making it a good choice for DIYers or occasional users. However, these pliers may struggle with heavy-duty applications due to their limited jaw capacity and less robust design. At just $20.98, this set offers excellent value for beginners or homeowners who need an affordable, multi-size plier kit for basic plumbing or mechanical work. While it won't outperform premium models, the Amazon Basics set is a reliable entry-level option. Pros include affordability and versatility, while cons include less refined adjustments and lower durability for professional use. At number 4, we have the Craftsman Pliers 2-piece groove joint set. This set includes 8-inch and 10-inch pliers, which are perfect for everyday tasks such as carpentry, electrical work, plumbing, and general DIY projects. Made from drop-forged steel, these pliers are built to last, offering strength and durability. The precision-machined jaws provide reliable gripping power, ensuring a secure hold on pipes, nuts, and fittings. The bi-material handles offer comfortable ergonomic grips, making them easy to use for extended periods. In terms of design, they're slightly bulkier than premium brands, but still manageable. Performance-wise, these pliers excel at light to moderate tasks, though they may not hold up under heavy-duty professional use. They offer a solid grip and good jaw alignment, which is critical for precision work. However, the lack of advanced adjustment mechanisms, like a push-button system, limits their versatility compared to higher-end models. Priced at $20.98, this set is a fantastic budget option for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. It provides decent quality without breaking the bank. Pros include reliable durability, comfortable grips, and affordability. Cons include fewer advanced features and less suitability for professional-level tasks. Coming in at number 3 is the Klein Tools D50510B pump pliers. With a unique curved jaw design, these pliers are optimized for strong, slip-free gripping, making them ideal for applications requiring maximum torque. The hardened teeth ensure durability and wear resistance, giving you a secure hold on objects over time. The quick adjust claw mechanism allows for precise, one-handed jaw size changes, making it incredibly efficient for professional and DIY users alike. Built with a full steel body, the Klein Tools pliers are robust and long-lasting. The high-visibility orange handles are dipped in plastic for added grip and easy tool identification, perfect for crowded toolboxes. Its compact design makes it suitable for tight spaces, though the smaller size may limit its usability for larger tasks. Performance-wise, these pliers excel at precision work, offering smooth adjustments without pinching and delivering consistent torque across various materials. At $24.99, this product strikes a balance between affordability and professional-grade quality. It's ideal for tradespeople and serious DIYers who need reliable tools for demanding tasks. Pros include durable construction, a quick adjust mechanism, and strong gripping power. Cons include limited jaw capacity and slightly higher pricing compared to entry-level options. Finally, at number 1, we have the MAXPOWER water pump pliers set. This premium set includes 7-inch, 10-inch, and 16-inch pliers, making it the most versatile option on the list. The push-button quick-adjust mechanism allows for fast and precise jaw adjustments directly on the workpiece, saving time and effort. The multi-groove ratcheting system offers twice the groove positions of other pliers, ensuring you can grip any type of surface with ease. Constructed from chromium vanadium steel, these pliers are incredibly durable and resistant to wear. The ergonomic rubber handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, while the box joint design ensures stability during use. The 16-inch pliers, in particular, are perfect for larger tasks, making this set ideal for professionals who need tools for plumbing, mechanical work, or heavy-duty applications. The included carrying bag adds convenience for storage and transport. At $40.99, this set is the most expensive on the list, but it delivers unmatched versatility and performance. Pros include premium build quality, advanced adjustment mechanisms, and a wide range of applications. The only con is its higher price, which may be less appealing to casual users. Overall, this set is the ultimate choice for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.